So guys, today's kind of an exciting day. We're going to be installing one of the first parts for the all-wheel drive conversion for the hatch, and we do have them sitting over here. The all-wheel drive trailing arms from David. I don't remember his last name, but it's a guy online. He takes OEM style trailing arms and converts them to all-wheel drive with his custom plates, and that's what we're going to be installing today. And Jarek's also going to be working on his car and doing a rear disc conversion on his with the trailing arms that are on my car currently.
So we're basically doing a whole entire swap and back to back. So that'll be interesting. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. The only thing I've seen go wrong is people have rust issues, but our car's I don't think ever been in any winter environment, so I think we should be good.
Yeah, hopefully everything goes well.
Not much I can do. Just hand out orders.
So guys, it's the next day. We're able to get all of the all-wheel drive trailing arms on. The reason I didn't really record all too much is yesterday it kept raining intermittently. It would start raining and then it'd stop, but everything's in. All the stubby, the S1 stubby, I think that's what it's called. But everything's in. Drove the car home last night, felt pretty normal, didn't feel really any different, but yeah, everything's installed in the car and luckily everything went good. So yeah, now we're gonna be heading back to Jarek's house. We were able to get all his trailing arms, and now we're gonna have to re-drop his transmission again.